Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden for Blue Outfit mod. I'll show you guys how to install. You just need to check my video description for the site link. Just scroll down and go to files. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log in to this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then it will start downloading. After the download done, click on it. Make this left. On right side, you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is installed, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path and then just drag and drop these files in here. To enable the mod, you just need to double click on the DLL mods folder and double click on ng4 blue and right click on the config and select edit in notepad. As you can see, it mentioned true is on and false is off. Now it is true. As you can see, now it is stand on, so it doesn't need to do anything. You just need to press up arrow key while game is in focus to reapply changes. Just open the game and press the up arrow key to activate this. You can disable it guys just by going here and make it as false and that will be disabled. We have successfully installed the mod and now if you made any changes like here, then you just need to press the up arrow key in while in the game to focus to reapply changes. uh, don't forget about that. Then you can enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.